Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Aditya Padar. I'm part of core team of SK Children Foundation and I've been working with SKCF for almost 2 years now. Today I'd like to take this opportunity to discuss some of my special moments with SKCF over the last couple of years. Talking about special moments, I'm reminded of a couple of things in specific. First of all would be the excursions that we used to go to with the kids before the lockdown obviously. We went to India Gate, we went to Mughal Gardens, we even had a sports day exhibition with them. And seeing the happiness on the faces of the kids was really exhilarating for all of us. It reminded us of our own childhood days, our own joyous days, as well as it really made us feel good because we were doing something to give back to society and showing these kids very happy times.
Hello everybody, I'm Hartika, a volunteer at SKCF from the social media domain. SKCF has now become like a family. We are all from different parts of India, but the sense of unity is something that keeps us bonded. I really appreciate our former president, Mr. Raghav Sharma, for taking up this initiative and helping the ones who are in need. It was an amazing experience working with this family, and I believe it would be the same in future. Thank you.
So I am Suresh Ajit Singh, currently head of web development department. So I will share my work experience till now. So as soon as I joined SKCF Children Foundation, I have gained many hard and soft skills, and at the same time I will tell about the work environment. It's very friendly, at the same time it's very professional as it can get, and the most satisfying part of this job is that you can be as creative as you want in web development, and at the same time you can contribute for a good cause. So it's very good working in here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. I am the web development intern and a volunteer in SK Children Foundation. For my experience, it's been 3 months since I'm working here, and it's have been an amazing experience. Like I would tell you, in the web development profile, we are like a family. Not only in web development profile, like all the volunteers of SK Children Foundation, we are like a family, and we are always free to give our ideas, and there is no foundation to on you. And I've got an opportunity to take the interviews of the new interns coming for the web development domain, and it's having an amazing experience. And I would say that SK Children Foundation is the best platform for me to start my career with. Thank you, SK Children Foundation.
Everyone, myself Prachi and I am pursuing graduation from Gargi College, Delhi University. So my journey with SKCF began 2 months back when I was recruited as an HR in public relations and fundraising domain. I must say that things were pretty new to me in beginning, but I met wonderful people here who inspired me to push my limits. Raghav sir, Prerna ma'am, they are really supportive and encouraging, and everyone here is so hardworking. In PR and FR domain, we conduct online activities, fundraising events, and connect with companies, corporate houses, collaborate with institutions who have similar aims. I must say that working in PR and FR domain, it's really interesting, and each day we learn something new and come up with greater outcomes. And I have got really best set of volunteers and who are really fun to work with. And there are times when we face challenges, but whenever I see pictures and videos of these kids posted in our official group, these pictures, they are really soul touching and even inspires me to work harder. Now it's like a small family to me, and it's altogether a different connection to SKCF. So I must say I'm indeed lucky to have chosen SKCF. Thank you so much.